Why did Nikola Tesla's Wardenclyffe Tower fail? Imagine a world where wireless electricity flows freely across the globe, powering homes and cities without wires. Nikola Tesla dreamed of this future with his Wardenclyffe Tower. Built in the early 1900s on Long Island, New York, it was meant to be a giant transmitter of wireless energy and communication signals. Tesla believed that, by using the Earth itself as a conductor, he could send power anywhere in the world. But despite his big ideas and the tower's impressive size, it never became operational. So, what went wrong? First, funding was a major issue. Tesla initially got money from a wealthy investor named J.P. Morgan. But as Tesla shifted his focus from just sending messages wirelessly to transmitting power, Morgan grew skeptical. He didn't see how to make money from wireless power, so he pulled his support. Without enough money, Tesla couldn't finish building the tower or test his ideas properly. Next, the technology itself was ahead of its time. Tesla thought the Earth could act like a giant electrical reservoir, but scientists at the time didn't fully understand how to control or harness this energy. The equipment needed to do this was not yet developed, making the project's success unlikely. Tesla's theories about transmitting power through the Earth were fascinating but lacked the scientific proof needed to move forward. There was also a lack of practical use for Tesla's system at the time. The existing electrical grid was expanding fast and was reliable. People and businesses were used to wired electricity, which was easier to control and understand. Wireless power seemed too futuristic and uncertain, making investors hesitant to support the project long-term. Adding to the problems was skepticism from other scientists and inventors. Many considered Tesla's ideas eccentric or too strange. They preferred working on more conventional projects with clear results. This limited the support Tesla received from the scientific community and business world. External events also played a part. The project was happening during a time of economic trouble and the outbreak of World War I. These events shifted priorities and drained resources away from experimental projects like Wardenclyffe. The economic and political climate made it even harder for Tesla to keep his project alive. Finally, the physical tower was dismantled and the land was sold to pay off Tesla's debts. Without the tower, the chance to continue experiments and develop his ideas was lost. The project simply ran out of time and support. In the end, Wardenclyffe Tower failed because of a mix of financial problems, technical hurdles, lack of immediate practical use, skepticism, and bad timing. Tesla's vision was so far ahead of its time that it couldn't succeed in the early 1900s. Still, even though it never worked as planned, the tower inspired many future wireless technologies and keeps capturing the imagination of inventors today.